Hi guys, what we are going to today? So it's been 3 years since I've been trading, and over the 3 years, I've added a lot of things in my routine, and I've subtracted a lot of things from my routine. So I'm gonna show what all practices I follow. After a lot of hit and trials, I've come to form a good routine, and that's what I'm gonna show what I do. It's up to you if you want to follow, but this particular routine definitely helps me in trading and somewhat helps me in my mindset. So let's see what it takes to be a trader. So I'm gonna divide my routine into four parts. First is to decide that are you gonna trade today. I'll come to that later, like how you can decide. And then like what are you gonna do before the market opening? All practices you have to follow during the market hours. And then after market closes, what all can you do? Like you have to reflect back, right? So I'll show you that. So first is, are you ready to trade today? So mood check, in my opinion, is very important. If you have a bad mood, it can lead to revenge trading and making losses on a day where you could have just stayed away from the market and not even made a loss or a profit. So you have to do this mood check. This should be your number one priority. And how I do it is ask several questions to myself, wherein, okay, did I have good sleep? Was I disturbed by my dogs or the street dogs at that night? They barking all night and I was not able to complete my sleep. Do I feel irritated for some reason or the other on that particular day? Do I have something going on in my mind or something urgent that needs to be done? If I won pretty big yesterday, like if I had a profit very like quite big yesterday, am I feeling overconfident today, or am I excited about something, some delivery parcel, something of that sort? Or do I feel any guilty of my wrongdoings, or did I have an argument with someone, or did I hurt someone yesterday? That is going on in my mind, and these things I check. If any of the answer is yes, I do not trade that day. It's a simple no for sure. You have 240 days in a year, and definitely you can miss 10, 20 days like that, just to keep your mood aligned and not revenge trade, because the main thing is you don't want to revenge trade and lose pretty big on that day. And also second thing I check is, like, you know that Wednesday RBI governor is going to come and increase the repo rate. So on that day, I particularly like, I call these days as event day, when RBI governor comes, or there's a Reliance annual general meeting, or a financial budget day, finance minister has come all of a sudden. So any like big uncertainty going on in the market, even if you are not following the news, you would know that the candle size would change drastically. There would be huge volatility. So the candle size would change drastically in within minutes. There would be big candles like 100 points nifty. So you need to check if something going on in the market. So for that, I open CNBC Avaz just for 30 seconds max in a day, just to know, because they sometimes have that countdown timer running on. So if that is the case, I do not trade before the event. Trust me, if you're gonna have big quantities, you do not want to fall into that trap. So because stop losses get hit. So I trade only after the event if I need to. Then before the market opens, so I basically wake up at 8 a.m. and this thing is for sure, from the night onwards, I have my phone on airplane mode all day till I'm done for trading. If I'm getting free at 10:30 in the morning after like 2 or 3 trades, I would switch on my phone, and then I won't bother to look up what's going on in the market for that particular day. Because I myself is an intraday trader. So after freshening up, I open these websites just to bring my focus back, that okay, today is another trading day, and these are the things that is going on in the market. Like I open Finshores, they have a 3 minute newsletter. Then I open Pulse Zero, the latest news. Then Gmail, there's a Signal newsletter that I follow, so I open Gmail for that. And Twitter trends, I see if something is going on regarding the market. Then I have money control, just to see global indices, just to see if the market is going to go a gap up or gap down. Then I search for YouTube CNBC Avaz just to have a quick look. And then there's this heat map that goes on all the 6 hours of my trading, wherein I open it on the Nifty and sort it by percentage, wherein if some stock is following more than 2.5%, then I have to be aware that it could be a trending day. During market hours, my phone is off, and at night 20, I mark all the possible entries and write it on my whiteboard and set alerts on that level. Move away from the desktop. Now, wait and watch. Do not overstimulate your mind. Like, okay, you start watching something, you start watching some YouTube, or you start watching some movie, and then there might be an opportunity in the market, and you're at the climax of the movie. You don't want to take that situations. I generally do keep the day boring. I don't go for the adrenaline rush because it's not a game for me. And then I basically all if they I know that okay my trades are gonna come after half an hour, 1 hour, and the market is just consolidating. I might take a nap, shower, clean my room, or exercise. Any external thought that comes into my mind, I'll write it on the paper. And I've made sure that nobody is allowed to knock my room or call me for something. Even the delivery that's gonna happen from Amazon or anything, I give my parents' number. And I actually don't know that what is happening outside my room because I've also taken my room, which is a bit secluded, so it acts as an office for me. I never watch anybody straight on social media, especially Twitter. It just plays with your mind. You might be having a different view, and then it just changes your whole perspective on it. And you can avoid social media. And I generally avoid from Sunday afternoon till Friday afternoon. I myself have been off from Instagram for last 3 years. And once the market closes, I'll fill up, or the market closes, or if I'm done for the day, I'll fill up the trading journal. And then this thing I've learned from Vivek Bajaj sir from eLearn Markets, he had made a special column called Karma. If I followed the plan, I'll write +1. If I deviated a little bit, also I'll write -1, and then calculate the sum at the end of the month. You would have seen a few of my videos on YouTube. I have been editing a few YouTube shorts of the trades that I take. So after that, I do, and then max is 5 p.m. After that, I'll not think about the market. It's enough from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Then I focus on my health, go for walk, meditation, cook something, reflect. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know in comments what all hacks do you follow in terms of psychological hacks or your trading routine even.